is sixth chapter, trigonometry ratios up to transformations. This chapter belongs to mathematics 1A part 5. Last part completed 2 marks problems in Pondit model. Today discuss one more model in this Pondit 2 marks problems in Board of Intermediate Examination. What is that problem? This one is an example problem, impounded repeated problem. If cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta, then prove that cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. This is the given. You can prove that in this process. First of all, what is the given? Given that cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. Here this cos theta goes to right hand side having negative. Sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta minus cos theta. Root 2 cos theta minus cos theta. In this two term you can common. In this two term you can common cos theta common. Which one is common? Cos theta common. You get the root 2 minus 1. Correct or not? Check. Root 2 into cos theta, root 2 cos theta, minus 1 into cos theta, minus cos theta. Okay. Similarly, you can do previous step. Here, this equation multiplying on both sides. Multiplying on both sides. Root 2 plus 1. In this equation, multiplying on both sides root 2 plus 1. You get what? Here multiplied LHS for root 2 plus 1 into sin theta is equal to here cos theta into here multiplied here root 2 minus 1 is there, multiplied root 2 plus 1. Here root 2 plus 1 multiplied left hand side, root 2 plus 1 multiplied right hand side. See students, right hand side a minus b. Suppose this is a minus 1 is b. A minus b, this is a plus b form. A minus b into a plus b formula is a root 2 plus 1 into sin theta is equal to cos theta into a minus b into a plus b. Formula what? A square, nothing but root 2 whole square, minus b square, nothing but 1 square. You can write root 2 into sin theta, root 2 sin theta, sin theta into 1 plus sin theta is equal to cos theta into square root get cancelled. You get 2 minus 1 square value is 1 square value is 1. After that, root 2 sin theta plus sin theta is equal to 2 minus 1 how much? 2 minus 1 value 1. That's why cos theta into 1. Cos theta into 1 value is cos theta. Here this sin theta goes to right hand side. You get what? Root 2 sin theta is equal to cos theta. This sin theta goes to right hand side. That is negative, minus sin theta. This equation can be written as cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. Correct or not? This is the given required answer. Correct or not? Check. Cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 into sin theta. This is a very impounded repeated problem in Board of Intermediate Examination 2 marks problem. Next problem is, if a cos theta minus b sin theta equal to c, then show that a sin theta plus b cos theta is equal to square root of a square plus b square minus c square. This is also be one type of 2 marks impounded problem. In this type of problems coming to the IP examination, next what is the given that a cos theta minus b sin theta is equal to c. A cos theta minus b sin theta equal to c. Suppose this is, we have to take of 1. This equation a cos theta minus b sin theta equal to c equation squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. You get what? A cos theta minus b sin theta whole square is equal to c square. Here we can write a minus b whole square formula. What is the formula of a minus b whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. A square nothing but a cos theta whole square. B square nothing but b cos theta whole square. B sin theta whole square. Similarly 2ab 2 into a into cos theta b into sin theta is equal to c square. Once again explain. A square nothing but a cos theta whole square. B square nothing but b sin theta whole square minus 2 a value is a cos theta, b value is b sin theta is equal to c square. After that, a square cos square theta, this b sin theta whole square nothing but b square sin square theta minus 2ab constant sin theta into cos theta is ratios is equal to c square. This is equation 1. First of all, given that a cos theta minus b sin theta equal to c, that given function squaring on both sides, you get equation 1. Here, this a sin theta plus put a sin theta plus b cos theta is equal to some k. A sin theta plus b cos theta is equal to some constant k. You can find this k value. Here, this equation also be squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. You get what? A sin theta whole square plus b a sin theta plus b cos theta whole square is equal to k square. Here, a sin theta plus b cos theta whole square is equal to k square. A plus b whole square formula. A square plus b square plus 2a. What is the formula? A nothing but a sin theta whole square plus b cos theta whole square plus 2a. A value is a sin theta. B value is b cos theta is equal to k square. Once again explain. A plus b whole square nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab. A value is a sin theta, b value is b cos theta. After that, a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta plus 2ab is constant sin theta into cos theta is equal to k square. This is equation number 2. This one is what? Equation number 2. This equation number 1 and 2 adding on both sides. Equation 1 and 2 adding on both sides. First you can write 1. What is the one here? A square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta is equal to c square. This is the equation 1. What is the equation number 2? Equation number 2 is a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta plus 2ab sin theta cos theta is equal to k square. You can add these two. You can add these two. Minus 2ab sin theta cos theta plus 2ab sin theta cos theta both are cancelled. These both are cancelled. Remaining what? A square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta. A square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta plus b square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta is equal to c square plus a square. C square plus a square. These two are cancelled. In these two terms, you can common a square cos square theta plus sin square theta. In these two terms, you can common b square. B square is common. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to c square plus k square. Here, this two term is common. Sin square theta plus cos square theta nothing but cos square theta plus sin square. Both are equal. Here cos square. By the first identity, this value is what? What is the first identity of the trigonometry? Read that formulas. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1. This is 1. This is also be 1. You can write a square into 1. B square into 1 is equal to c square plus a square, since first identity of the trigonometry formula. Here, a square into 1 plus b square into 1 nothing but a square plus b square is equal to c square plus k square. You can find your k value. You can write this one is here, a square plus b square minus c square equal to k square. Then what is the value of k? K value is plus or minus square root of a square plus b square minus c square. Correct or not, students? Here square is there. This square goes to left hand square root plus or minus square root. This k value substituted in this value. You get what? A cos theta. A sin theta plus b cos theta is equal to, what is the value of k? K value is plus or minus square root of a square plus b square minus c square. Correct or not? Check. Required answer. This one is not correct. A sin theta plus b cos theta equal to plus or minus square root of a square plus b square minus c square. This is also be one more important problem, 4 marks in IPE examination. Today assignment problem. What is that assignment problem? If 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta equal to 5, 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta equal to 5, then find the value of 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. First of all, you can write 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta equal to 5. Squaring on both sides, you get equation 1. After that, put this value. Put 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to some k. Once again squaring on both sides, you get 2. After that, adding 1 and 2, you get k value. Thus, k value substituted in this equation. This problem you can do that similar way of previous problem. You can do that this problem previous problem mode. This first equation is squaring on both sides. You can find the values. Some value is k. After that squaring on both sides, you get adding these two equations. You get k value. That k value substituted in this place. You get the value of 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. Okay.